Next up on the list here, we have the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. This is going to be comparable to your Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, and this here has an average return over the last year of 30.45%. And if we look at the last 10 years, it comes in at 12.69%, more in line with what we were looking at with the first example. Now, if you wanted to invest in the S&P 500, this is a very solid avenue for doing so. However, we have exited the Fidelity Zero territory, and at this point we are coming into some low expense ratios. This particular fund comes in here at 0.015% expense ratio, which is very low, but it should be noted just so you're aware. And since we're just looking at 500 companies in this case instead of a much larger basket, you're seeing even more concentration into the top names. So in this particular case, about 7.2% of all of the money that goes into this fund goes right into Microsoft, 6.6% goes into Apple, 3.7% goes into Nvidia, and so forth. And if we take a look at the composition here, this is 99.36% domestic equities or US companies. So it's, again, the 500 leading companies in the United States giving you diversified exposure. 29.43% of your money goes into information technologies, about 13% in financials, 12.7% into healthcare, and about 10% going into consumer discretionary.